In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this XIAOMI. You need to start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck Device and SystemInfo from Flarto Developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it, and thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Quick tip: when you go into dashboard, make sure to tap on all of those sections. Not only because thanks to it you will learn all these informations, but also because by tapping on settings at the bottom right corner of each pop-up, you will get transferred to this section in your settings right away. It also works when you click on gear icons at the top right corners. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!